Hello everyone. I'm Injun, nice to meet you. Today I'm on a beautiful island.
남이섬.
Nami Island. Lovely weather and so many trees, right? Hobby.
취미.
Hobby is the fun thing you do in your free time like sports, reading, or drawing. When you meet a friend, ask,
취미가 뭐예요?
what's your hobby? A very common question, say it with me. Answer like this.
제 취미는 자전거 타기예요.
My hobby is cycling.
제 취미는 독서예요.
My hobby is reading. Try it with your own hobby. You can also say,
저는 사진 찍는 것을 좋아해요.
I like taking photos. At,
는 것을 좋아해요.
to a verb.
걷는 것을 좋아해요.
I like walking. But one thing really matters with hobbies.
얼마나 자주.
How often? Every day? Sometimes? Let's learn this today.
매일.
Every day means every day without missing a single day.
저는 매일 조깅해요.
I jog every day.
보통.
Usually means usually.
저는 보통 아침에 산책해요.
I usually walk in the morning. Not always but most of the time.
자주.
Often means often.
저는 자주 사진을 찍어요.
I often take photos. Nami Island is so pretty I photograph it a lot.
가끔.
Sometimes means sometimes.
저는 가끔 낚시를 해요.
I sometimes fish. Only now and then.
거의 안 해요.
Rarely means rarely.
저는 게임을 거의 안 해요.
I rarely play games. Maybe once a month?
전혀 안 해요.
Never means never zero.
저는 커피를 전혀 안 마셔요.
I never drink coffee. Put the frequency word before the verb.
매일 산책해요.
I walk every day.
자주 사진을 찍어요.
I often take photos.
저는 자주 걸어요.
I often walk. When you think of
남이섬.
Nami Island, you think
자전거.
cycling. Riding in the cool breeze, my favorite hobby. How often? 3 times a week.
저는 일주일에 3번 자전거를 타요.
I cycle 3 times a week. Quite a lot. Look at this Metasequoia road. I love
산책.
walking here.
저는 매일 산책해요.
I walk every day. In the morning I do
조깅.
jogging by the river.
저는 매일 아침에 조깅해요.
I jog every morning. So refreshing. On these pretty lanes I love
사진.
photos.
저는 사진 찍는 것을 좋아해요.
I like taking photos, so I do it
자주.
often. On nice days I enjoy
피크닉.
picnic on the lawn. I even pack
김밥.
gimbap. I do it
자주.
often on weekends. On the wide lawn I fly a
연.
kite. It's a
가끔.
sometimes hobby, perfect when it's windy. I also play
프리스비.
frisbee with a friend, throw and catch, so fun. Also,
가끔.
sometimes. I like
배드민턴.
badminton too, hitting the shuttlecock back and forth. About
일주일에 한 번.
once a week. By the river I do
낚시.
fishing. The charm is waiting quietly.
가끔.
Sometimes, when I want to relax. I also do
강아지 산책.
dog walking. Dogs need daily walks, so
하루에 2번.
twice a day. This one's special.
짚와이어.
Zipwire. Like flying. It's scary, so
1년에 한 번.
once a year. Sometimes I go
캠핑.
camping, pitch a tent, spend the night. About.
한 달에 한 번.
Once a month. I read on a riverside bench, quiet and nice.
저는 매일 저녁에 책을 읽어요.
I read every evening. It's an art island, so I do.
그림 그리기.
Drawing, sketching scenery. About.
한 달에 두 번.
Twice a month. My new hobby lately is
스케이트보드.
skateboarding. Still clumsy, but
자주.
often these days. At home I play the
피아노.
piano. My favorite songs lift my mood.
매일.
Every day I practice a little. At home I sometimes do
요리.
cooking.
저는 가끔 요리해요.
I sometimes cook. Every weekend I do
영화 보기.
watching movies at home, sofa and popcorn.
주말마다.
Every weekend. I also enjoy
게임.
games. A little.
매일.
Every day. Because it's fun. Haha. I have so many hobbies, right? But there's one thing I do
매일.
every day without fail. What is it? Take a guess. It's studying
한국어.
Korean every day. Just like you watching right now. That's my real daily hobby. What's your
취미.
hobby?
얼마나 자주.
How often do you do it? Please tell me in the comments. I'm really curious. Enjoy your hobbies. And don't forget to study
한국어.
Korean.
매일.
See you next time.
안녕히 계세요.
Goodbye.